This poem is called Bird Brains. The conversation between the birds outside my kitchen window goes something like this. Okay, guys, here's the plan. We'll charm her with our chipper songs. We'll delight her with how iridescent our feathers are when the sun hits them just right. We'll captivate her with our legs so that she'll have to wonder how they hold us up. We'll fascinate her with how busy we are catching worms and eating bugs. Then she won't notice when we peck a bite out of her strawberries, or when we eat her cherries off the tree, or when we mess on her clothes on the line. Works every time.